Does the caged bird really sing? Or does it sit in the dark with a broken wing? Does it fear its chirp will ever be heard? Or that it will even be considered a bird? Does it hold its breath? Does it fear its life? Does it make its mark? Does it even survive? No. Not till the cage is broke and the shackles free, till it rages, roars, and demands equality. And the bird is heard, and the bird is seen. The bird soars through the fiery streets till the bird is a bird indeed. No bended knee, no senseless plea, no need to fly away or flee, but cast its shadow for all to see, leaving its mark on humanity. Harley Davidson, spread your wings.